It's me, Mikey Pipes and DC HVAC. Today, we're taking out this Burnham. They must have had a sale on duct tape here. Daniel, they have a sale on duct tape? I remember. What is up with this? Today, we're taking out this Burnham SIN4 Independence gas-fired steam boiler and installing the brand new US boiler Burnham Steam Max Model 100. It's built and designed specifically for steam. It has a lot of features that this Independence doesn't have. Timer flash 7 times, BTU system. And I always say, work smarter, not harder. So instead of using steam malleable cast iron fittings, we're using Viega Mega Press fittings to streamline the installation and make it that much more efficient and effective, getting the job done in less than a day. Just because it's stuck doesn't mean it's not going to work. Here, lift up. See? All right, I'll keep cutting. Cut here and cut there. We'll take this out. Lovely Milwaukee M18 bandsaw. Nice, smooth, clean cut. Love it. It's gonna get stuck again. Will it get stuck again? Probably. All right, I would cut right here. Work smarter, not harder. We are still draining the boiler. We have our primary loop, our near boiler piping. Our steam header coming out of the top of the boiler cut out. I just pulled out the 5-inch piece of smoke pipe and the smoke 90, and I'm looking inside, and as you can see, they're lacking a stainless steel chimney liner, and all that rust that's caused by the condensation or the water vapor, the condensate vapor that's in that chimney, that boiler exhaust gases. That's causing all that. And then because the chimney is not lined, right? That temperature is cooler, and it's going to start to condense on the steel piping. And most importantly, you see all the debris at the bottom of the chimney right here? Well, that's because there's no liner, so the terracotta lining of this chimney is crumbling and falling apart. Eventually, it's going to collapse upon itself, and that's not going to be good, because then the block vent switch, which is located on the bottom of this draft hood, which should be right there somewhere. I don't know if you can see it. I'm showing you. I'm not seeing it, but that will go out, and that will kill 24 volts to the burner circuit. So we are going to have to let him know that he needs to have a stainless steel UL approved chimney liner, because that is the code in Nassau County. All right, so we're going to start disconnecting the electric. One of the things I just noticed, why is this thing stuck on? This thing's so annoying. One of the things that I noticed is that our pressure troll has that mercury bulb right there. You see that mercury bulb on that pressure troll? You're not going to get this ever on a pressure troll. So it's actually a good idea, since this is in great condition. We're going to take this off this boiler. We're going to install it on the new one. And the pressure troll that comes with the new one, we're going to leave it here. So if and when this pressure troll should ever fail, which it probably never will, right? Because it's mercury and mechanical, right? How can it go bad, right? Just saying. And we'll leave the old one here, so in case it fails, he'll have the other one, and he doesn't have to pay for a new one.
Low voltage switch.
Because our transformer is up there. See? So this is all low voltage. You know, a switch is just a single pole, single throw switch. You know, it's nothing extravagant. You know, you can use anything for that, like even a Wago. Plug it in. It's a closed circuit. Unplug it. It's an open circuit. So we're going to remove the electric, and actually we can, if we wanted to, just cut our 4-wire here and just redo it from there. But we're going to take out that transformer. Here's our H and W going to our thermostat. which is nice. It's nice to have that exposed for testing. You know, you can eliminate the thermostat wire and the thermostat by jumping this out. And if the boiler kicks on, you know you have a problem with the thermostat or thermostat wire. Hi, Daniel. Making that money today. You don't go to the gym later, do you? You haven't gone in so long? Yeah. How long is so long?
Like months.
Like months?
Yeah.
Why keep the membership if you don't go?
I'm gonna cancel it.
What?
I think I'm gonna cancel it.
Oh, this guy.
Just giving up.
I know. You know what? He's too strong for Brianna. Right? Are you manhandling her? Don't go across the grass. Come on, you're drunk driving. What are you doing?
Spinning or... I think Brianna wants to beat up Danny in a wrestling competition.
The two brothers, look at this. You can tell which one's adopted, by the way.
Both.
Both are. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're about to go down the staircase. Let's see how they're going to do it. Let's see, yes. He is going to try to clear that. Is he going to... Here, come. No, go this way. Hitting the brick. Oh. Okay. And we have to put that down. Is there a mat there? Let's get rid of these two mats. Oh, thank you. Okay. And we're going to have to slide. Look at this. Uncut, unedited, raw. Only on Mikey Pipes. We have an extra set of hands on the job today, on the scene. Big shout out to my boy Danny, principal and master plumber of Plum Pro. Great guy. All right. You look at me like, what do I do now? Oh, so slide a little more to the left. The back end, yep. Let's get it up on the two wheels. Push. There we go. Now, that drop cloth may or may not be in the way. All right, Peter, you should probably go in there as well, and we'll lift up this up. You'll lift up that side. We'll bring it in and then roll it in.
So we're this way.
Yeah, bring it down. Now, you guys are gonna have to try to lift up that side. And we'll try to lift up here a little bit. I'm waiting on them.
I can't get it. I can't do the whole thing.
There you go. Okay. It should be good. It should be good. Okay. I am clear on the right side.
You're good, all right.
Okay, straighten out. All right, you guys got this?
Yeah, just come.
It's just you, Daniel.
Just come.
Okay. We have a steep staircase.
Keep coming.
Here comes the first step.
Go a couple inches. Okay, no. Good. Second step.
We're in the second.
That's that. Third.
That was the third. We're going to the third.
Skipping every step.
Okay. But we don't have much of a brick left.
Okay. You don't?
Well, I just have one hand and you guys got most of it.
You guys have two more steps left.
Hold on, V. I don't got it. I'm gonna come tumbling down.
Okay.
You good? So you got it for a second?
Yeah, you're good. Go.
All right, so the new one is down. Sam and I were on top, and Peter and Daniel are on the bottom. And as we get down here, I'm like, oh, thank God the job is over. And then I saw the boiler sitting in there. I'm like, oh, man.
Pull more to you then.
And now we are manhandling the old one.
Push. Put it down one more step.
It doesn't go on.
It doesn't go up because of the angle.
Alright, just push it.
Okay, then move your foot. Get ready. We have to wait.
Alright, yeah, let me just casually push this up.
Fix yourself.
Fix yourself, Peter.
We got it.
It's on my leg.
Okay, so fix your. Okay.
Right, this has to be put up. You guys talk like this is so easy.
It's not easy.
Yes, we're just staying there with the camera.
Go. Go.
One. There you go. Beautiful.
Watch the wall. Watch the wall. Bring it back to us.
All in a day's work.
Door. There you go.
All right, so we're redressing the boiler from all the controls we took off. That right there, that 2-inch nipple with the 2-inch black cap, that is the skimming tap, which is left open from the factory. However, we don't skim our steam boilers. And the reason, have you heard of skimming before? Okay. So you skim a boiler on a new installation because there are oils that are in the piping that you thread that will make its way to the top of the water line, and you want to get rid of that because if you don't, it will cause the boiler water, when it's boiling, to surge. Basically, that means it'll just basically boil it all away. As soon as you turn it off, the water comes right back. That's not good because surging will cause the low water cutoff to sense a low water condition, killing flame, and then it's like short cycling. Rinse, wash, repeat, do the same thing. So when you install a new boiler, you're supposed to skim. Now, I was taught steam by the dead people, we call, right? Because they're not here anymore, right? The dead men of steam who installed these by hand, threaded piece by piece, and did houses for like $1 a day, right? Crazy, right? I was taught steam by that. And if you take care, you do certain precautions during the installation, you really don't need to skim. And I've never skimmed the boiler, right? So if we were to thread and cut pipe, then we would clean them thoroughly before installing them, right? But we don't thread and cut. We don't cut and thread pipe anymore. We use mega press, right? So there's no oils. I also treat our steam boilers with this chemical called Surgex, and its job is to help neutralize the water and remove some not really remove impurities, but kind of like
Catch it all.
it's like give the water a certain chemical composition to it, where the steam that creates is more drier. But knock on wood. Is that even wood? Yeah, it's wood. Knock on wood, I've never had to skim a boiler. I've had to have others skim a boiler who've installed for me that I subcontract to before I had like guys with me, right? And they were stupid, and they turned the boiler on and it's surging right away. And they're there for like hours upon hours upon hours with a bucket, with this thing, and you're slowly opening the feed valve where it's a trickle, like a drip of a faucet. But if you take certain precautions during an installation, no need to skim. With adding Surgex. Right, Peter?
Yeah. Do you know we went to a boiler that you installed like 5 years prior, and the guy never. It was a steam boiler.
Yeah.
The guy never emptied the boiler, like month.
Yeah. Was it still green?
It was still green. Yeah, like 5 years.
When you add the Surgex to the boiler, the water column on the sight glass is like a radioactive lime green.
Okay.
But it's good though.
Right.
It'll turn red once it no longer has any useful properties, and then you should flush and drain and things like that. Yep, basically. And make sure one of our jobs on working on a steam boiler or any boiler is checking the relief valve, make sure it's the proper type. Peter, how many times do you think we worked on a boiler, we checked the relief valve, which is every one, and it's wrong? Like a steam boiler will have like a temperature and pressure relief valve for a water heater, or a 30 psi relief valve, or vice versa. Like people are retarded, right? And these are I'm not calling them plumbers, people, because if you're putting on the wrong relief valve on a boiler, you're not a plumber. You're an idiot. And we will put a drip leg on here. And code, what's the code, Peter? Drip leg?
3 inches up, green.
No, maximum 6 inches and minimum 1 pipe length.
Oh yeah, well, no, I usually do 3.
Okay.
3 inches.
Yep.
It's like in between.
Easy peasy.
Go one more time.
Watch that phone line. Like people, why do people still have phones, by the way, like that? There you go.
Yep.
Yep.
Dude, we can switch it up now.
Yeah, it should be good. If you went to the gym more often, you would have some muscles.
We got it. So.
Yes. Very nice. Nicey nice. Yes, and I know, you know, the comments, Mikey Pipes, why are you using a pipe wrench as a hammer? You should be using a hammer, not a pipe wrench.
I wasn't thinking about that comment.
What were you thinking?
Why isn't the boiler covered?
Oh, yeah. What? I need to protect, you know why? I need to protect the fittings from the boiler, not the other way around. We have a 2-inch Mega Press Viega 90 and the the T. And take a wild guess what those cost. 2-inch Mega Press 90 on supplyhouse.com, $52.77. Peter, give yourself a pat in the back.
Yeah, I usually don't catch that.
You usually don't catch that. This is one of the hardest things to ever catch, right? You would think a 2-inch pipe, threads would go into a 2-inch tapping, but oh man, it's hard. It's hard. We've taken off the covers to actually physically look at it while we're threading it, and then it sucks. So now we're going to tighten up that 2-inch by 18-inch black, I guess you can call it a nipple, right? This elbow is going to go on top of there, like that. And this T is going to go there. We're going to put another nipple here, and hella high water, we're going to squeeze that in. All right, and then we'll come around and we'll catch our, actually, we could do a 45 maybe.
How?
Maybe. Probably not.
How what?
We'll see.
It's a question for Mike.
Yes.
How close do you like to go with the nipple?
That looks fine.
Okay.
I would actually make that as long as possible so we have more room to play here.
Okay.
That's what I would do.